biggest challenges that we're facing is the challenge of recruitment. I think the hospitality business has always been difficult to recruit people into because it's not always perceived as a great career choice. So it's always been difficult, and right now it's harder than ever.
I think legacy softwares is one, and kind of the possibility of not integrating softwares to them. Old mindset in the sense that sales processes are still back, like we heard today, back where it was still 20 years back.
We have hotels right across the UK and Ireland. And in terms of representation, we have them in most of the major cities. But we find that certainly trying to find the right meeting and event team members with the right level of skill to manage our business in some of the provincial areas, quite difficult, if I'm honest. In terms of other areas, it's the data and how we analyse it, what we do with it, and how we help make decisions for our hotels for meetings and events. And I say meetings and events because it's not just the short, small meetings, but the much larger events which obviously drive our revenue, and the banqueting and any of the social events. And it's about understanding the whole market, not just what we all think of a 20 boardroom style meeting.
The first one is the competition. The competition out there is very big, very vast, and everybody is after the same piece of the cake. That's one of the main challenges that I see being out there. The second one would be the evolving technology. So to the point where technology is constantly evolving and we need to know okay, where to stop. And I would say maybe the third challenge is do we have the right resources in place? So in terms of having an experience in meetings and events, it's different than having a bedroom experience. So I think it's one of the challenges to have the right people at the right place.
Competitors, that's the first challenge, the growing competitors. Cost of sales is constantly growing as well. And more demanding customers.
I think at the moment we've sustained 2-3 years of growth, and I think there is a challenge in how we're going to be able to sustain that growth going forward. I particularly look around the M&E side and say we have seen growth there, but how do we sustain that, especially in a sort of turbulent time?